upper control arms on the G. I can't remember last time I was up this early, bro. Put these things on. Alright, so big day. Got these a couple of days ago. About to unbox them and everything, but this is the P2M upper control arms. Got my boy Gio about to help me install them. Finally get the alignment dialed in. Everything for the car. Just looking right over there. Oh, right here. I'm just gonna have to give enough space because my girl about to go to work at 9 and shit too. Yes, sir. Excited. I mean, probably I should just move to the center, like center it a little bit more ideally, right?
Like, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Shout out to my neighbor for letting me borrow the jack, cause boy, I'm cooked now. See, this is definitely what we needed, bro. That's crazy. It actually gets under the lip. That's fire. Damn, I can't even see under this. Okay, it's right there. It's almost right there. Like right here, I think, right? I think we should angle this like that way though, right? It's gonna be a little harder. Yeah. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, that looks about right. Passed the eyeball test. Does it say left or right or something? Go this way, say it. Got another body camera.
That's good.
Metal too.
I thought of that.
That's still popping. Once they did that with the coilovers.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully they didn't put 2 L's in there.
Imagine, bro. That shit looks official. Yeah, okay, so they go like that in there. It's fire.
I'm gonna look at it like to see how it goes. It's cause like it's so low to the ground, it's hard to see like.
Yeah.
It's like right
exactly.
where it needs to be.
No, feel that.
Yeah, it's right. Leave it there.
Okay.
You gotta loosen the wheel now.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, here you go.
Gotcha. Got off the ground, I almost forgot. I was so excited. I'm like, yes! Damn. That shit sounded crazy.
This is probably old.
Yeah, it's just old and creaky. I could see. Yeah, the car moved a little bit on that last one. I'm like, oof.
Yeah, we can. Right. Because you can jack it up like on this. There's like a part of the frame right here. You open it there. That's what you realize.
Yeah. Oh shit.
So like, we're like on the suspension side. Like,
Oh shit, my head.
like right here somewhere.
Cool. I think this is a better angle right here. Let's see. Man, what up, kitty? What's up, kitty? How you doing? A little early morning appearance from little kitty. She a little thrill seeker. She went under the car. I'm like, no, don't go under there, kitty. That shit fall. Imagine. Oh my god, dude, that'd be heartbroken. That'd be hard to watch.
We had to call the ambulance.
Yeah.
Cat, bro, please. Remember the bolt? The ones that hold the controller? This fits in there.
The bolts that can hold the controller. So these ones right here?
Yeah, like, whoa, yeah, remember in the video?
Look, damn near. Damn.
It doesn't fit?
Look, maybe can you take the extension off? Or?
Nah, you can't.
Is it nah?
It's like a skinny.
Oh wow, what the hell? Yeah. This is hard, see? That boy got some shit over here, bro. That's crazy.
Right wing. Does it fit good?
Let me try and get this on first.
Yeah. So So you could turn like the socket, like you know, like take it off and turn it one way, like yeah, like that.
Or is that just yeah? There we go.
Yep. It loosens a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hell yeah. Now that's all I wanted. Look, now put this on there. Hold that on there on the like that.
There it goes.
This is like an adapter from go to 1/2 inch to 3/8.
Okay. 1/2 inch to 3/8. Okay. That's definitely loosened. Yeah. All right, that we got. Damn, got the first 2 bolts loosened up. Hey, it's really not that bad, honestly. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. But yeah, we loosened these 2 bolts up. Pretty sure this gotta come down.
This one got a ratchet. Like, that breaker bar in the W. That was the best purchase I think I made. Yeah. And then I'll be back. Cause like this, we're almost done. Yeah. It's just, you have to, right now, just pull these bolts, those 2. And then we'll just, this end is a ratchet wrench. This end. So like, it'll just kind of like, yeah. Probably the smoothest I've seen. Really. Sometimes it be like, I got the coil over.
Yeah, I see why they might say that.
Yeah. Is it hitting the coil over? Shit, bro. Yeah, that is ugly. I don't mind to take the coil over off. That big thing. On the video, like, homie took it out, like, no problem.
The springs. Huh? The springs aren't in the way, that's the thing. No spring to stop this. That little mesh part. So if we get aiming at that, we can take it out. Do it when it's in the air.
Because I'm just thinking about dropping it just a little bit. Pop the hook. Let's see. And then drop. You know. It's just the thing with this is we can stretch this down a little bit, but like. So I'm gonna need you to like maybe just hold it. Yeah, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it like this. I mean, it's because to do the coilover, it's gonna take a minute.
Yeah, you wanna go ahead and do what she has to do?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I'm calling a couple. I'm about to call for him.
Yeah. Ask him like if you have to like drop the fucking coilover.
Dude, Fernando's a genius. I got it. Crazy. Yo, can I get a hand real quick? Oh, can you pull this or hold this down for me real quick? Go. You put it down some more. Yeah, like that much. Yeah, you gotta probably put 2 hands on it. That's cool. Hold on, actually. Right there. Perfect. There we go. Yes. Thank you. You go ahead.
Is we gotta go on.
Yeah, that's the blue one right here. That's pushing the top hats off of the coilover. Basically, the problem was this bolt was getting stuck on the coilover right there. Like on the video, the dude had the stock suspension. I hit up Fernando. We already was onto it. Like he loosened them up, but he never took them off.
Right.
And we was trying to move it, but it was still too stiff. So we basically, I had to remove those top hats, and that's how I was able to push down on that and give it enough leadway to move these and get these out. Success. All right, boom, we back at it.
Yeah.
So that's
crazy.
That's supposed to be like that until you put the bolt through?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, but yeah, they look at the same size, right? That's the only difference is that's just adjustable. Adjustable for it. This is.
Hold on. So what we want to do is I'm gonna. So one thing I noticed, bro, is right now you just so you don't want to put too much tension like on the brake hose. So I tied it back up.
Yeah, I got you.
You know, so it was like a little too slack.
Yeah, I got you.
But let me see if I fuck it now.
Yeah, so we could be able to.
I'll hold it for you, like so it doesn't crease like too much, you know. But
damn, that's a tight fit, ain't it? Shit. Maybe I'm tripping. It does look. It looks.
yeah.
They look. Well, that's crazy. They look the same size though.
Yeah.
They're literally the same. It's just all this extra hardware and.
Because the bushing, I guess, is metal. Yeah, it's supposed to be tight.
Okay, yeah. Oh, so these are the bushings that replace this then.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why we don't need that. So this is the part that I need you to pull down on this. Cause to line, this is the reverse of what we did over here, you get what I'm saying? Cause the spring is in the way. So if you pull down, it remove, you know what I mean? Yeah, you get what I'm saying? I'm able to put the screw through there in that spot.
That's cause I don't want the fucking, you know what I'm gonna do though, bro? Hold on, we could do that, or whatever you're doing, but we have to unscrew this fucking brake hose. Is it this one, Chuck, for this?
A little bit smaller. Take this off right here, like this. A little bit more down. Yeah, there we go. It's almost there. Was it not going through?
No.
The other one's so easy. This one's giving me a little trouble.
Almost, bro. Crazy how close it is.
Yeah, right? That's how it was coming out too.
I see what you mean about holding it up, though.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, fuck, man.
Yeah, we got it. Oh, we got it, guys. A little elbow grease. Did it? Yeah, we got it, gang. Damn. Ooh, I had to get my stamina back after that. Boy. Yeah.
Okay.
What's the benefit of that?
Good question.
It's a good question. There.
I mean, it's so you can put a cotter pin through it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or ratchet.
Damn, this shit been recording for 40 minutes. Damn, my camera about to die and everything. We got that, and now we're just trying to basically, trying to see if we set it like this, this, or this.
My boss gave it to me
Oh, fire.
from like this one shop I worked at. But
So you, once you find the number, you just literally, it just does it.
quick. See?
Okay. That's pretty cool. Cool, yeah.
A manual one, yeah, the electric one.
It'll make the beep or something too, right? We were trying to ooga booga it. Make sure it's locked.
It's cause the ball joint part goes on pretty tight, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like not like ridiculously
Just, but
tight,
more tight than the other one.
Yeah, I see what you mean though. Like,
Yeah.
like you don't want to like
Strip it or you can go like
like-
fucking fly off the hinges and
Do it.
stuff.
You could even check it with just the little one, so you don't have to use like the little 3/8 one, the one that ratchet over there,
Yeah.
and then you like just do it at the end. That's like plenty toy. The holes, yeah, it's like this.
I think that's
But
it.
like now it's good. It's like
Okay.
Now looks like it's dropping. Let's see. Well, you gotta do the honors on this one.
5. A lot of pressure on me.
Just do it as slow as you can.
It is tough.
Right there, you wanna be careful because.
Okay, cleaning up, man. It's all done. Looking big tail, yeah, like the wheels. That should look fine. First little job I did, thanks to my boy Gio, man, the goat. It is hot as hell out here. It looks nice, bro. I can't wait to get in alignment, get everything dialed in. I don't think there's actually too much going on with it yet, but yeah, I got everything tightened back up. Yeah, this is future me. My camera died before I was able to get the other side. We did finish the other side. Second side was a lot easier. So yeah, we knocked it out. And yeah, back to the current me. To get the alignment now. I'll get you guys at Fast Lane, I think is the name of the place. Get you guys at the alignment shop.
So if you look down here at your lower ball joint, it's pretty loose. I don't know if it's just that nut that's loose on it.
Yeah, I got
but
you.
with driving on it like this, it's probably done some damage to that ball joint.
I got you.
And worst case, the control arm too. So
The upper control or the lower control?
that lower, yeah, just the
got you.
lower forward control arm there.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't do the alignment yet. I would see if you can fix that situation.
Okay.
At least for sure get a new ball joint, but more than likely maybe a new front lower forward control arm.
Okay.
So check that stuff out. Once you do that, you can, if you want to bring it back here, we can definitely knock out the alignment. Everything else, especially passenger side, everything else is tight. So
Okay.
This is where the ball
Just
joint
the-
goes up through that lower control arm.
Okay.
That's where everything's moving.
Okay, I got you. Cool. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, of course.
Yep, so this is future me. That's definitely not the outcome I was expecting after doing all of that work and us putting in the upper control arms. I went to get the alignment, and basically the forward lower control arm and the ball joint on the G were just torn up. It was super loose and it was a lot of slack. So I wasn't able to get the alignment that day, and now I'm going to have to fix the lower control arm and the ball joint. Yeah, and hopefully after that we can finally get the alignment. Fingers crossed. But yeah, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.